Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Joseph Peterson. Let's talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see over here near Conway, Loris, and over here near the North Charleston Hanahan region, we do have some showers and storms passing through there right now. That's pretty much all in terms of South Carolina. As we move our way up, you can see we have flood watches in effect. Pretty much that goes all the way up from eastern Texas, all the way up through to Illinois, Indiana, and Detroit. And if we move over to the MRMS, you can see that obviously you can see all that rain in this region. Over here, we do have some rain over here inside of Texas, as well as over here inside of Louisiana, Mississippi. Florida's getting some. Coastal Carolinas is getting some. Northeast is not really getting a whole bunch. And up here inside Canada, they're getting some. But look at the West. We have maybe like a teeny shower over here near Wyoming, but everyone else, I mean, the central, the if you're not including Texas, the central U.S., the entire Western, just United States in general. If you was to take this line right here and kind of cut it like this, entire half except for this little shower right here, um, pretty much right now is not like receiving any type of rain at all. So now let's go and let's move over to cloud cover. Cloud cover right now, we do have some clouds moving in, and they've been kind of stationary. We have Florence, Myrtle Beach, Charleston, Savannah, some in Columbia. But right now, inside of the upstate, not really a lot. It's really mainly near the coastline. That's really where most of the clouds are. Here's our cloud cover for the future. See, as we push this forward, you can see around as we get through today, the day today is going to be scattered cloud cover throughout pretty much the entire day. Some can be light. Some people might not see it at times. Some people may see clear skies. But as we get into tonight as well, tonight again more scattered, more isolated cloud cover. More, I think that it's more kind of like more zonified or more, I should say, more present inside of the low country. Here is our current temperatures around 88 in Columbia, 82 in Charleston, 86 in Savannah, 82 in Myrtle Beach, 88 in Augusta, 86 in Greenville, 86 in Anderson, Rock Hill, 86 in Florence, 88 in Sumter. Here's our high temperature for today, around 96 in Columbia, 95 in Newberry, 95 in Camden, 90 in Charleston, 91 in Hilton Head Island, 87 Myrtle Beach, 95 in Sherrod, 94 Greenville, Anderson, 93 Spartanburg. Here's our peak sustained winds. Peak sustained winds not going to be really that high today, around 5 to 8 miles per hour inland. But once you get up over to the coast, it's going to be around 7 to 10 miles an hour. The highest wind sustained today will probably be near the Charleston beaches, like Folly Beach, Kiowa Island, Isle of Palms, places like that. Peak wind gust though could actually be up there near Myrtle Beach, around 16 miles an hour today, but still pretty calm, especially inside of like the inland low country region, around 5 miles an hour. Midlands around 7 to 8 mile per hour wind gusts. The upstate around 10 miles an hour. Coast around 10 to 16 miles an hour. Here's our forecasted precipitation for the next 24 or so hours. You can see here that you see again the entire state could see precipitation today. It's not impossible. I've already gotten around 2/10 of an inch today already at my house today. So again, it's about to probably continue as we move through the next 24 or so hours. And even if as we move into the afternoon, that's also another big thing because I think the afternoon was probably the most chance of us seeing that rain around that rain. So totals could be around a half an inch to an inch in Florence, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch in Columbia, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch in Charleston, quarter of an inch to a half an inch in Hilton Head Island, hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch in Myrtle Beach. Same thing with Spartanburg, Greenville, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch in Rock Hill as well. Here's our SPC outlook. Everyone has the chance of seeing some thunderstorms today. Everyone in the state, if you have some showers over you, that has the potential to turn to a thunderstorm, has the ingredients. And here's the excessive rainfall outlook, as excessive rainfall is possible in the very southern low country of South Carolina, or up there inside of the very northwestern portion of South Carolina, the very far upstate, like the Blue Ridge Mountains. Let's show the models and see what they show for rain for today as we move this forward. Rain will really start to get going, like in the PD region, around 1 o'clock p.m. Showers will start to get going. Around that time, around 3, 4 o'clock, more showers and downpours might continue as we move through the Midlands and the Low Country, as well as we move to around 5, 6 o'clock p.m. 8 o'clock, those will continue. Same thing as we go through 11 o'clock, showers will continue down in like this southernward trend, kind of like this, kind of like upward and then downward trend as we go through the rest of today. And then showers up here will stay inside North Carolina. And then these showers up here in the upstate around 8, 9 o'clock will dissipate pretty fast. And then as we get to around 1 o'clock in the morning, all showers will probably be gone. So let's talk about the tropics. Here's tropical depression Beryl. 30-mile-per-hour winds right now. Heavy rainfall will continue. Flash flooding for tonight and portions of the lower mid-Mississippi Valley and Great Lakes. Use caution after Beryl passes. Deadly hazards remain down power lines, flooded areas. You have to keep that in mind, especially if you're in Texas. And here's what Beryl looks like right now. Here it is. So Beryl, again, not really too much on the rain side. Has some rain, obviously it does, but really where the center of circulation is, the rain is only on the top side. So that's what's going on right now with Beryl. And here's the forecast track. It's expected to remain a depression even up into Canada. So everyone from eastern Texas all the way up through Arkansas, Missouri, southern Illinois, central Indiana, eastern Michigan, northwestern Ohio, and like very populated areas of Canada can receive tropical depression conditions. Winds sustained 30 to 35 miles an hour, gusts of up to 40, 45 miles an hour for pretty much all of these regions inside of this line right here, inside of this cone. So everyone inside those regions are going to have to watch for that. But that's pretty much all that I have in terms of weather update for today. Make sure that if a thunderstorm gets towards your house, make sure you don't have anything like, I'd say, like make sure you don't get inside like the shower, anything like that that's supposed to be, like you possibly get you struck by lightning. Don't stand under a tree or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Tuesday. And I will be back tonight, 9 o'clock with another video.